Hey guys, Nick here once again. This is my full unboxing of the limited edition Days of Play PlayStation 4 Slim console, 1TB, as well as a few accessories that I got, pretty much just a couple games, and another blue Dualshock 4 controller because they're on sale right now. And this is again the limited edition Days of Play version. I know there's going to be actually a brand new limited edition PlayStation 4 Pro coming out soon, but I wanted to get a PlayStation 4 because I haven't had one for over like 8 months now. I had to sell my old one for disclosed reasons, and I missed having a PlayStation. I really wanted to get one, especially for the new Last of Us coming out and the new Spyro trilogy. So I'll probably be doing a full playthrough of both of those games on my live stream channel, which is on Twitch. I'll have a link in the description if you guys want to ever check me out. So without further ado, let's get into it. Let's get the accessories out of the way because those are not the main attraction here. So here's the games that I got with it. And these are actually all free with this Days of Play limited edition. So we got Blood-Borne here, which was one of my all-time favorite PlayStation 4 games. I've beaten this game at least twice. I think it was 2 times, but I'm gonna play it all the way through again just because I haven't played it in so long and I miss it. And we got The Last of Us Remastered because, again, I'm super stoked for the new Last of Us. The E3 conference looked amazing. I can't wait to play the new game. And I feel that just going through another playthrough of the original game once again, this will be my 3rd playthrough of this game, will get me in the mood and really hyped for the second one even more. And then we got, lastly here, we got God of War 3 Remastered. Another amazing game. I actually never played the 3rd one though, but I heard really good things about it. And then I also have the new God of War coming in the mail later this week. It should be in a few days. So I'll be, again, doing probably a playthrough of the new one on my Twitch channel as well. I don't know if I'll be playing this one. This will probably just be my free time. But yeah, super stoked for that one as well. And putting those to the side, we're going to look at the DualShock 4 controller. Now, this is the blue. I don't know what it's called. They usually have a name on here, but I don't see it. But we're just going to call it the blue DualShock 4 for right now. So let's open it up here. I already took the tabs off screen. Just make it a little bit more easier for the unboxing experience. So we're going to slide this on out here. It's a little bit of a documentation there. Nothing really else in the box. We're going to put that to the side. What's in the document here? Looks like just some instructions. PlayStation 4, DualShock 4. Yeah, no one really reads that stuff. I mean, come on. And then we got the controller here, which we'll just slide out. So we'll take that off there. Take the controller out. Nothing else really in there. And that's pretty bare bones for the unboxing experience, but I wish it did come with a USB cable, because everybody could use more of those. But, you know, it's alright, I guess. Man, I forgot how good these controllers feel, though. I haven't had one of these in so long. I've been using an Xbox One controller for my PC for the past year and a half, I think. And getting used to that, I've always loved PlayStation controllers. I'll be honest here. I mean, I have pretty big hands. Like, my hands are not small. And people with big hands always complain that the PlayStation 4 controllers, PlayStation 3 controllers, and so on are always too small. I have to disagree. I like the feel of these controllers. I've always liked these way more than the Xbox. Just that's my personal opinion. But man, yeah, very clicky, feels good. And this is the new updated controller, so the color for this little LED indicator here is actually a strip on the touchpad, so that's really cool. I really like that new look to it. But yeah, so that's the DualShock 4 blue. I'll put that to the side. Let's get to the main attraction, which is the PlayStation itself. So we're gonna get out my trusty keys here to cut this open. So let's move this up here, and we're gonna look for the tab, but I'll show you guys around the box here quick. So left side, pretty much nothing. Back side is just the same picture as the front, and then the right side, again, is pretty much nothing. It's kind of a bare bones box. I'm a little bit disappointed in the artwork on the box, but I've seen some screenshots of the actual PlayStation, and it looks freaking beautiful. So let's get into it and check it out. That was a very strong sticker. There we go. I'm impressed by that sticker. Oh, there's a box inside of a box. All right. I like it. So this is really just a sleeve. There we go. So nothing else in the sleeve, so we're going to put that to the side. And now we got the main box, which doesn't really have anything around it, just PlayStation 4 logos. And there we go. There we are. Alright. We'll lift that on out. We got the console, looks like right in the front here. Slide that on out. Take these little guys off. And we'll come back to the console last, so we'll leave that right there. Let's see what else is in here. Got some type of instruction booklet. The important stuff, you know, everyone looks at. Sarcasm. The best place to play, I don't really know exactly what that is. Probably a code, maybe for like free PlayStation Plus or something for a while. There's one more thing in here. It's way in the back, so we gotta reach way inside. Oh. Oh my god, it's really in there. So. Ah, that's supposed to be open this way. Ah, I gotcha. Alright, so we got the power cable here. So just a regular DC, AC, whatever, power cable. They do give you a micro USB for charging your controller. That's nice. At least the console comes with it. They do give you an HDMI cable. Not very long, but hey, it's a free HDMI cable. I can't give them any downside for that. Really, really crappy headset if you want to, you know, scream at people online and have really distorted sound. And then we got another blue Dualshock 4 controller. Let's slide that on out. Well, this one, as you can see, has the engravings on the touchpad. So it looks a lot cool. That's really cool, actually. I did not know that was going to come with that. Nothing else really is different. Let's check next to the other blue one I got. It's a little bit darker shade of blue. So you can see the one I bought, the blue DualShock, is a little bit brighter. It doesn't have the engravings either, so... Man, I really like the look of this. This is really cool. It reminds me of like the hieroglyphic, I don't know really how to say that, but that's what it reminds me of. Let me get a better zoom in here. Man, that just looks beautiful. Very cool. I like that. Again, clicky buttons, feels really nice, brand new, good plastic. I mean, it's a controller. It's not going anywhere. But I like the look of that. That's awesome. Let's get to the console here, the main attraction. We're just gonna do a little strip tease here. Cue the porn music. Oh yeah. There she is. This is the bottom. Now, one thing I really liked about this console. Oh my god, that is beautiful. I didn't know it was glossy. It's a glossy top. So this is going to be a fingerprint magnet. You got to keep that in mind. But man, that is gorgeous. That looks amazing. But we got the power and the eject buttons. They are physical buttons. There is an LED light in there though to indicate when it's on. But it is physical buttons compared to the original PlayStation 4, which was the touch-sensitive buttons. And then we got 2 USB ports right in the front here. Nothing really on the side other than some vents for air to flow through. And if we go to the back here, that's where all our ports are. We got the power port on the left. I think that's the camera port. Yeah, the PlayStation camera port. Then we got the HDMI out, and then the LAN port if you want to hardwire your internet, which I'm probably going to do, because I don't like using Wi-Fi for consoles. And then on the left side, we have the port for the hard drive. So if you want to update, or upgrade your hard drive, I should say, you can do that. Alright, so, I was going to say, on the bottom, I thought this was kind of a cool thing that I saw online as well. So this is the bottom of the console. Nobody really looks at the bottom, right? But look around the little feeties. They're actually PlayStation symbols from the controller. Get a little zoom in here. So there's a triangle. We got the square. Got the X. The circle. And it goes all the way around. That's so cool. I love that. This is the little details, you know, that Sony puts into their console that I've always been a huge fan of. But that's just super cool. So overall, I'm really liking the look of this. And I've actually never owned a PlayStation Slim before. This is my first Slim model. So it'll be interesting to see how it runs, if it's the same performance and all that, and if it's quiet, if it's loud. But yeah, if you would like to see, I guess, a full review of the unit, I'll definitely do that. Or if you want to see, I guess, gameplay of any of these games, I'll be live streaming these on Twitch later on. So definitely follow me on Twitch if you want to see me play those games. But as for the unboxing experience, that's pretty much it, guys. So thank you so much for being here. Thank you for checking out my video. Leave a like, share, support as always. And I hope to see you guys in the next one. Peace.